In this video, I will show you how to enable or disable macros in Microsoft Outlook. Let's get started. First, open Microsoft Outlook on your computer. Now, look toward the top left corner of the window. Click on the File tab. This will open a new screen with more options. From the menu on the left-hand side, click on Options. This will open a new pop-up window called Outlook Options. Inside the Outlook Options window, look for the section on the left side that says Trust Center. Click on it. Now, on the right side, you'll see a button that says Trust Center Settings. Go ahead and click that button. Another new window will now appear. This is where you can control different security and privacy settings for Outlook. On the left-hand side of this new window, click on Macro Settings. Now, you'll see a few different choices for how macros are handled in Outlook. These options let you choose whether macros should be blocked or allowed to run. The first option is Disable all macros without notification. This means all macros will be blocked completely and you won't get any message about them. The second option is Notifications for digitally signed macros. All other macros are disabled. This is the default setting. This means that only macros that are digitally signed will prompt a message, but all other macros will not run. The third option is Notifications for all macros. With this setting, Outlook will show a message for any macro, whether it's signed or not, and you'll get a chance to decide if you want to run it. The last option is Enable all macros. This means all macros will be allowed to run without any warnings. This setting is not recommended because macros can sometimes contain harmful code, and Microsoft warns users about this risk. But it is available if you need it for a specific reason. Below these settings, there is also a checkbox for applying the same macro settings to installed add-ins. If you want Outlook to use your selected macro rule for add-ins as well, make sure this box is checked. Once you've chosen the setting that fits your needs, click the OK button to save your changes. You'll now be back at the Trust Center screen. Click OK again to close that window. And then, one more time, click OK to exit the Outlook options. That's it. Thank you for watching.